Hey guys, so here's another update. Thanks to me watching GoPowersports video. So, if I get the Predator Performance 1 from Performance Machine and Design, I can't use the throttle cable that comes with the vintage go-kart kit from GoPowersports. So, because it's got a Mikuni carburetor, and the cable won't work with Mikuni carburetor. So since that, I'm going to have to use a Mikuni specific throttle cable. So let's see. They have, wait, let me do this. Do this. Then go here. Then here. So then, damn it, nope, not that. And this. And either probably this one, this one, this one, this one, no, not that one, but this one. There's a few that I could run. That Mikuni sells specifically for their carburetors. Phew, this makes it even more tricky, guys. Makes it even more tricky. Let's look through. I'm just gonna look through all the Mikuni carburetors, Mikuni throttle cables. Because I'm going to run a Mikuni specific throttle cable since it's Mikuni carburetor. This kind of stinks, but it is what it is. I'm learning while watching that video from Go Powersports. I could already get that carburetor. Because anyways, I'm looking at switching methanol by chance. But then I may run it, like I said before, run it how not Go Powersports, but Cars and Cameras did for their build. I'm just seeing if I can find any more Mikuni throttle cables. Sorry guys, this is probably going to be a little bit of a clip. Or I may just post all the links in the comment section, I don't know. And I'll just scroll through, guys. Sorry, but it's going to be a bit of a video. But this will give me even more content and hopefully make my YouTube channel blow up. Because all the go-kart content I'll be posting. Nice thing is both wheels will spin on mine, rear wheels, because it's got a live axle under it. Or I could get the extreme one, even though I would have switch tires, because it has the tires I don't want. Even though it's more expensive. And then switch out motor and whatnot. Please tell me I've already looked. Please don't tell me I've already looked through all the throttle cables, because otherwise this is going to be a long video. I could honestly pull this up in using website, the web computer view, but I don't feel like it. I'm probably going to do a bunch of upgrades to it to make it even better than what it would be, the motor would be, if I were to get the Predator 670 from that company. Not Performance One anymore, but that other company that changed name. Oh hey guys, I'm finally done scrolling through. So yeah guys, hopefully you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the icon to get notified when I upload a live stream. Bye guys, peace, I'm out, and make YouTube shorts and post on my community tab.